That's where the buffet used to be. I think they also do not have a buffet anymore. Let's see how far I can walk. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's been open in years. Look at all this money gone to waste. I could use a lot of this equipment in my kitchen. It wouldn't fit though, that's the only problem. Wow, what a waste of real estate.